Most people throw away this lychee seed, not knowing it holds an entire tropical tree inside it. Peel the thin brown skin off the seed immediately and plant within 24 hours. Fresh lychee seeds are everything. 2 inches deep, hilum scar facing down, flat side up, warm soil and patience are all this seed needs now. Day 10, and something extraordinary is happening. The lychee radical is cracking through with unstoppable force. Day 25, watch this miracle. Those red leaves are slowly transforming into the deepest, most beautiful green. Day 90, standing strong in the backyard soil. This lychee tree has claimed its place, and it is never leaving. Month 8, the backyard lychee tree is building itself branch by branch into something truly magnificent. Years from now, this exact backyard tree will be heavy with lychees, and this one tip gets you there faster.